How to plant grass squares. Planting sod gives you an instant lawn and looks better than planting grass seeds, but is more expensive. Sod requires constant maintenance after installation. It must be watered regularly. It grows best in areas with cold winters and hot summers, or areas with mild winters and hot summers. Avoid purchasing just a few squares of sod from a large home and garden store because there is a great chance that it has been sitting for more than a day, and may or may not root well. Things you will need: rake, sod squares, dirt, water, fertilizer. Measure the square footage of the area you want to cover with grass squares. Purchase fresh sod at a local nursery or have it delivered from a local sod farm. Remove all weeds from the area where sod will be laid. Rake and level the dirt. Water the area where the grass will be planted. Make sure that the dirt is nice and moist. Separate grass squares into 3-inch cubes. Lay each cube on level dirt. Cover each side of the cube with dirt. Repeat until area is covered. Water grass squares thoroughly. Fertilize area once a week.